Are you a high school junior or senior interested in healthcare? Do you want a head start on college and hands-on experience in medicine? Welcome to the NUAHEC Medical Scholar program at Weber State University, where your journey to a meaningful career in healthcare begins. Hi, I'm Keely Bryn, a former scholar and now a full-time respiratory therapist at Intermountain Medical Center in Murray. I'm here to introduce you to a one-of-a-kind program that's opening doors for students across northern Utah. Let's go into the classroom and get into the details. The NUAHEC Medical Scholar program blends college coursework, hands-on training, and healthcare exploration all before you graduate from high school and enter a program. This 4-credit-hour course from Weber State University is HTHS 2910, Health Information Literacy, Healthcare System, and Career Exploration. It gives you a true look at how the healthcare system works and the proper training required to reach your goals. One major focus of the course is information literacy. You will learn to find, evaluate, and use reliable health information. You'll be able to spot misinformation, think critically about what you read online, and make smart, evidence-based decisions. And that skill, it's not just for healthcare. It's a tool for life, in college, in your career, and in your community. This program isn't just about studying though. You will do the work too. You'll learn how to properly take vital signs, perform suturing on both training pads and pig's feet, intubate a lifelike mannequin, and even complete a full intravenous cannulation, commonly known as starting an IV. One of the most impactful parts of the Medical Scholar program is a 5-day career exploration experience with Intermountain Health. We can take 30 to 40 of our students to McKay-Dee Hospital in Ogden, where you will earn 12 observation hours while rotating through multiple hospital departments. It is an incredible opportunity to experience a working medical environment where you can ask questions, make connections, and see where your interests fit into the world of healthcare. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some former medical scholars who will tell you about their experiences in this program.
Going into this class, I was thinking I wanted to become a dietitian. After learning the different skills, suturing, intubation, the IVs, I really realized what else there is to offer in healthcare. So I started opening my eyes and I was like, maybe I want to be a PA, maybe I want to be a scrub tech. And now I'm leaning towards the scrub tech route. And so that's what I'm planning to go to college for.
Hi, I'm Riker Nelson. I'm from Syracuse High School. I'm graduating in 2025, and this class has been absolutely amazing for me. By far, my favorite skill has been the sutures and the IVs. Getting the red flash with the IVs, there's no better feeling truly, and to be able to tie a super tight suture is truly beneficial through the rest of your medical career. The Surg Tech experience was truly amazing. It's definitely not the best smelling, but to be able to do the sutures on a more realistic experience, be able to do it on a pig's foot and throw the needles through the flesh and be able to get a realistic feel for it is awesome.
Hi, my name is Alondra Juarez and I go to Ben Lomond High School. One of my favorite experiences from Medical Scholars was doing the skills, and the intubation was my favorite one because I really got to learn the parts of the throat and everything. Another favorite was the IVs, because I thought it was a really cool experience seeing the blood come out and the process into the IVs. I think Medical Scholars is a really great learning experience for students in high school that want to be in the medical field or are thinking of being in the medical field. I learned a lot of skills, so these will be some great opportunities to find a job. I think overall, just Medical Scholars is a great opportunity for you.
My name is Ava and I'm from Syracuse High. I got the opportunity to go to Intermountain Health, the McKay-Dee Hospital, and do some clinical days there. We got to learn about a ton of different fields. One of my favorite parts was the pathology lab. We got to tour the entire lab and see different rooms. Got to see a pathologist assistant, which I thought was really cool, and that's kind of what I want to go into. They take these tissue samples and put them in a wax form so that they can slice them 1 cell thick and look at them under a microscope. We have tons of fun experiences, and Medical Scholars is definitely worth it.
Some of my favorite experiences and one of the favorite skills I learned is in intubation. It's just kind of a cool life skill you can learn to potentially save someone's life if need be, especially if you want to be a nurse or if you're going to go into ER. One of the best things about this program is it doesn't necessarily make you go into the medical field. It just gives you kind of a broad sense of like what you could be potentially looking at. So even if you like have no idea what you want to do in life, I would recommend taking this course because it gives you lots of kind of cool skills to learn in life, and it also shows you like just maybe like some things you can be interested in. Also, they do bring a lot of food, so that's another good point to come to this class. But I would definitely recommend this pathway to anyone.
Here's a quick overview. You get 4 college credits, hands-on skills, career exploration, professional networking, research and critical thinking, and a serious head start. Are you ready to join over 700 medical scholars? Are you ready to explore healthcare, earn college credit, and build skills? Grab an information packet from your teacher, fill it out, and turn it into your counselor to get started.